So the Mega Moto 80 105 right now has a Tillotson 225 and it's totally stock except for a Volts 330 cam and a 24mm flat slide. The bike has a 5.15 ratio, 13 on the clutch and 67 on the rear sprocket. So I'm gonna take this out for a 0 to 30 in top speed because I've never tested the bike with this configuration before. And then I'm gonna come back and swap out the Volts 330 cam for a GoPowerSports Fire 265 cam. I really like the hot 265 cam. That's one of my favorite cams. I have that cam in the Tillotson 212 on the Doodlebug. So I'm wondering how the Fire 265 cam with its added duration will stack up with the Volts 330 cam. Yeah, if I had to guess, I would guess the 265 is quicker from 0 to 30. But then again, it's hard to tell. I mean, this thing is pretty quick even with a 330 cam. Let's see if I can get a decent launch on this thing. All right, 0 to 30, Tillotson 225 with a Volts 330 cam. It runs pretty good. It's kind of a happy medium gear ratio, 5.15, kind of right in the middle between 0 to 30 and top speed. So a 3.47. So let me see if I can back that up real quick. We'll see how consistent it is. All right, we'll see if we can beat 3.47. 0 to 30. Second attempt, 0 to 30. Let's see what we did. A 3.53, so it's pretty consistent. 3.47 and a 3.53. We'll do a top speed real quick. Let me run it down the road real quick here. So we got 0 to 30 and top speed with the Volts 330 cam. The bike runs really well with this cam. So the best 0 to 30 with the 330 cam was 3.47, and then top speed was 64.53. So now I will swap out the 330 cam for the Fire 265. So you have the Fire 265 on the left, and then the Volts cam on the right. So I got the Fire 265 installed in the Tillotson 225. So I think I have to be 3.470 to 30 and 64.53 top speed. Well, it already feels pretty good. Feels pretty torquey. So I think the other cam did a 3.47. So we'll see what this does. 0 to 30, Tillotson 225 and Fire 265 cam. All right, feels pretty snappy. We'll see. A 3.50. So it's right in there, right at the same speed, because the other one did what? 3.47 and a 3.53. So let me try that again. Okay, 0 to 30. Fire 265 cam and the Tillotson 225. And definitely got some torque to it. A 3.52, so it's very consistent. It's pretty much identical to the 330 cam. So let me do a top speed now and we'll see what happens. Okay, top speed 265 cam. Let's see what it does. Whoa! This thing is getting squirrely. I think I had a flat. Yeah, this thing lost all of its air pressure quick. Yeah, I'm just lucky it wasn't the front. Well, these two cams feel virtually identical on the bike. So with the 330 cam, we got a 3.47 and a 3.53 0 to 30. And then 64.53 And then the Fire 265, we got a 3.50 and a 3.52. So virtually identical. And then, so what do you think the top speed would be on the Fire 265? I was still pulling at a little over 60 miles an hour. So what do you think the top speed will be? Is it going to be faster than the 330 cam?